it's Dr. Shanahan. I'm just checking in regarding your author's craft analysis projects that you've been working on. I just wanted to say I'm so excited about the work that you're doing, the different craft choices that each of you have started to notice and name in the different texts that you've chosen that align with the grade levels that you teach. I hope that you're getting ideas for how to do this or something like this in your own teaching with your students this year. So I just wanted to remind you of a couple things regarding the peer feedback, since you've got another one of those coming up this week. So remember that the content of your feedback should contain two things. One, you are picking out something that your partner did not necessarily notice or at least include in their author's craft analysis for that week. So something that you've come across from the Krovitz and Devereaux book or the Ray book, or something that you notice in that text that your author did not, or that your peer did not include as a part of his or her feedback. So you're going to note that, elaborate on it, explain its impact on you as a reader or on the text as a whole. And then two, you're going to validate one of the craft choices that your peer did include in their analysis. So explain it, note it, say, thanks for giving me a heads up about that. I'm going to look for that now in my own texts, etc. So regarding the grading, I've graded your peer analyses, but I will not be giving feedback on your actual work, on your actual analysis, until it is due as a part of the whole project. So at the end of next week, once you turn it in, at that point I will look at the actual content of your craft analyses at this point. But thank you for your work. Please let me know if you have any questions as you move forward. Thanks.